Compliments are a powerful tool in attraction, but most men fail to use them effectively. They either stick to generic praise like "you're beautiful" or "you have nice eyes," which women hear all the time, or they go overboard with excessive flattery that feels insincere. The key to making a woman feel truly special is to give her a compliment that triggers a deep emotional reaction, something unexpected, personal, and thought-provoking. This is where forbidden compliments come in. These are not your typical compliments about looks or charm. They tap into a woman's psychology and make her think about you long after the conversation ends. Here are 3 forbidden compliments that can create an irresistible pull and make a woman deeply intrigued by you. 1. There's something about you that I can't quite figure out. This compliment is not just words, it's psychological intrigue in action. Unlike the usual flattery that women dismiss, this statement introduces mystery and makes her wonder what it is that you see in her. The moment you say it, she starts analyzing herself, trying to figure out what makes her unique in your eyes. And the more she thinks about it, the more invested she becomes in the interaction. Why does this work? It makes her feel unique. Every woman wants to believe she has something rare and special about her. It creates tension and curiosity. By keeping her guessing, you maintain an element of intrigue. It engages her emotions. She will subconsciously try to prove to herself, and to you, that she is different from others. To make this compliment work, timing is essential. You should deliver it in a way that feels spontaneous and genuine. For example, if she says something intriguing or unexpected, pause for a moment, look at her, and then say, "You know, there's something about you that I can't quite figure out." This pause adds weight to your words and makes them feel meaningful. The best part? This compliment doesn't close the conversation, it opens a loop in her mind, making her think about you even when you're not around. 2. I feel like there's a side of you that most people never get to see. This is not just a compliment, it's an emotional key that unlocks her desire to be understood. Women often feel judged based on their looks and social presence, but deep down, they crave to be seen for who they truly are. This compliment tells her that you recognize something beyond her surface, and that makes her intrigued by you. Why is this so effective? It tells her she is more than what people see. You're acknowledging her depth and individuality. It positions you differently from other men. You're not just another guy who sees the obvious, you notice the hidden aspects of her personality. It makes her want to prove you right. When you suggest that she has a secret side, she will unconsciously start revealing more of herself to you. The best time to use this compliment is when she shares something personal, opens up about her past, or lets her guard down. For example, if she laughs in a way that feels unfiltered, you can smirk and say, "I don't think most people get to see this version of you." The key is to deliver it with sincerity, making her feel like she is truly being seen for the first time. 3. I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need. This is a psychological trap that flips the power dynamic in your favor. Instead of putting her on a pedestal with predictable compliments, this statement creates uncertainty. Now, she is the one who has to figure out where she stands with you. Why does this work? It makes her feel dangerous and exciting. Women love the idea of being a little unpredictable and having a powerful effect on a man. It creates a push-pull dynamic. By showing interest while keeping emotional distance, you make her want to win you over. It sparks curiosity. She will start wondering why you think that way, making you occupy space in her mind. This compliment works best when there is already a playful, flirty vibe between you. For example, if she teases you, you can smirk and say, "I can't tell if you're trouble or exactly what I need." If she does something bold or unexpected, you can give her a slow, intrigued look and say, "I feel like you're going to be dangerous for me." The trick is to say it with a bit of mystery in your voice, making her feel like she has an irresistible pull on you. The power of forbidden compliments. Most men rely on generic compliments that women hear all the time, but if you truly want to captivate a woman, you need to go deeper. These 3 forbidden compliments work because they do something different. They make her feel seen but not fully understood. They create a sense of mystery and intrigue. They make her invest in the interaction, trying to figure out what you mean. The best part? These compliments are not about looks. They tap into a woman's psychology, making her crave your presence in a way she can't quite explain. Use them wisely, and you'll never have to chase a woman again. She'll be the one thinking about you long after you've left the room.